There are 150,000 pump jacks in Alberta. Each one of those pump jacks, we can save the equivalent of taking one old car off the road, about 20 tons of CO2 per year. The technology that Canada Control Works has created is the world's first ever pump jack motor drive system that regenerates power when the pump jack falls. It's not the first with that technology, but it's the first one that's gone through the process to be approved to actually connect to the grid. You and your neighbors and everyone will soon be getting energy that was otherwise wasted, driving your appliances in your household, coming back from those oil fields. I'm getting nibbles on those downhole sensors.
Canada Control Works is the typical Alberta company. You get a bunch of guys who have a great idea, and then they actually make it into a reality, which just speaks to the fortitude of Albertans as general, and the ingenuity that exists over here.
When it comes around and the actual kinetic energy starts to fall on that jack, this motor turns into a generator for a very short period of time. So we're able to actually capture that energy through our technology and start adding up.
In today's world now, green pays. Becoming green is now becoming a business case where you can actually make money off it.
Are we tree huggers? Yeah, kind of. Tree hugging capitalists. The oil industry is kind of interesting. They go, I'm making 100 some bucks a barrel. I really don't care what it costs to get it out of the ground. I just want to get it out of the ground faster. And now when you actually have some actual viability and go, okay, my budget got cut, I have to increase my production, how can I reduce my operating costs? Our timing is good in that respect.
Hey, when are we going to find out about the ones for North Dakota? We are right now getting our first commercial orders for this from Alberta, Saskatchewan, North Dakota, and Wyoming, and California. Anywhere there's pump jacks and the power price is high enough, we have a business case. We make sense. Ultimately, regenerative drives are going to be useful in all sorts of things, whether it's elevators, whether it's large industrial sites. We've specialized on this one area because it's the one where the energy wasted is the largest.
If the tests prove it out, and if the price points are within reason, I don't see why anyone in this entire province or in this entire world would not use this system.